Mm. Mm. Ninasikia nguvu inakam, nguvu inakuja guys.
Last week we were in Nairobi and we discovered the top secret of the Uji Power, the famous Uji Power. If you know about it.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's share. This is just one secret, not many.
Only one secret.
Yeah.
Secret about Uji Power is the power in it. Yeah, I mean the power in it. Oh yeah, I need the power in it. Exactly. Join us to know more secrets about Uji Power.
Uji Power.
Yes.
Join us in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And we are
the cooking couple.
Welcome back, guys.
And here are the ingredients. We have got arrowroots.
Or maybe duma.
Yeah, duma. Mostly found in the central. We have got cassava. You can see the shape of the cassava. This is the cassava. In Kiswahili we call it
muhogo.
Yeah, it's called muhogo. Yeah. Or in our language we call it manga.
Manga.
Yeah, manga. Or you can say migazija.
Hey, that one.
Yeah, just say migazija.
Migazija.
Yes, that. Yeah, there are a lot of breeds. There's Kibandame, no, a lot. Nuts. These peanuts. Right? Peanuts. Alright? You see? These are the pumpkin seeds, huh? Don't get nutmeg. Yes. In Swahili we call it kungumanga. Waswahili mnajua kungumanga inasaidia nini jamani? I'm already sharing out the secrets, no? Kungumanga. So milk.
Yeah.
Kule. Oh, kule. Oh, kule. Yeah.
Not kule, like kule.
Oh, you call it?
Kule.
Kule. All right, that is another tribe. You kule. Okay.
Not kule.
Oh, kule.
Okay. Oh. The first step, you have to peel your nduma. You have to peel your nduma, peel your cassava, after peeling you have to wash and cut into small pieces.
Have got a midrib but ours has got no midrib, but there's always a midrib here in the middle. You can take it. Cutting your cassava and yams into small pieces saves time in cooking. The smaller the pieces, the faster the cooking. The bigger the pieces, yeah, the long time it takes. Your mihogo or cassava and duma, you put them into a boil. You add salt, just a little bit of salt. Yeah. As we wait for our cassava and duma boil,
Yes.
Wacha tupige story kidogo. Yeah, let's share story kidogo. Yeah, we were in the street of Nairobi, as we told you earlier, and in every street we could see men having this Uji Power.
Yeah, Uji Power. And of course, out of curiosity, tukafanya research.
Yeah.
We wanted to know why, but by the way, it's a misconception.
Yeah, well, it's a misconception that only men should take this Uji Power.
But that is out of our research.
Uji Power not only for men, guys, Not only for men. Even the pregnant mothers are advisable. Cassava and duma are cooked, well cooked.
So guys, just tell us in the comment section, what do you think about it? Is it a misconception? Are we wrong about it? Just feel free to comment.
Yeah. And then we ask you, have you tried Uji Power?
Yeah, have you tried? So in the end of this video, I know you'll be just wait, chill up. Yeah, at the end of this video, you just love Uji Power.
Okay, let's see how our Cassava and Uma are doing on the other side. Woo. This is our yam, our Uma and Cassava, and from this point we take them into the blender. We blend them all together with the nuts and the pumpkin seeds, in addition of milk. But it's advisable to use the warm. Most time when they are very hot, this can destroy your blender. Yeah, it is. If you have got a heavy duty blender, you can then blend while it's hot. No problem for that. Now after blending, you just find that is the viscosity that we need. If you want it more lighter, you can add more milk and a little bit of water, just depending on your consistency. But from this point, we are taking it again to the heat to warm it up. You should stir it up so that it does not stick. And you should put a low heater, nutmeg, kungumanga. Oh, I love this. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. You can see the viscosity. That is how we want our porridge to look like. Now this is a Uji Power. You can, if you would love, you can add sugar or honey. Add your sugar.
Now our Uji Power is ready. Good will serve hot.
And now, taking a bowl of Uji Power is full of calories of energy, important to revitalize the body and make you hyperactive. The calcium found in cassava help to boost strong bones and strong muscle growth. And peanuts benefits, supporting heart health, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing blood sugar. When you go to the pumpkin seeds, lower chances of cancer and improve both sperm quality and quantity. Guys, try this and you will tell us the results. This is our Uji Power. Very healthy.
With natural ingredients.
And very easy to make. Guys, let's try it out. How's it? Yeah, let me try it. Wow, guys, you should try this.
Yeah, wow. This is a recipe that you should try, and more secret explained in the description.
If you love this recipes, guys, don't forget to subscribe,
like, and
share, guys, because we have got plenty and plenty more of these recipes. And for the benefits of Uji Power,
explained in the descriptions, and make sure that you subscribe, of course, guys.
They say it boosts something. Let us try this.
So the secret is, if you want to know the power of the Uji Power,
try it and then make sure that.
So now we are going to experiment.
Let's try this and let's go and experiment this. All right? Are you ready for this? Let me just try it. Ninasikia nguvu inakam, nguvu inakuja, guys. Nguvu ndio hiyo. Guys, bye.
Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video.
Bye. Uji Power.